Good morning guys. So ngayon guys, turuan ko kayo kung paano maglinis ng glass window. So glass door guys. So ngayon, gagamitin lang natin guys isang basahan. Saka yung ganito guys. Sa ganito. O yung window cleaner guys. So kung wala namang window cleaner, kung pwede shampoo guys yung ilagay nyo. So ngayon guys, kung paano natin, tingnan natin kung paano isprehan mo lang ito. Ganito lang guys. At saka guys, ganito lang guys. Tingnan mo guys. Ganyan mo lang guys. Ganyan guys. Ganyan guys. Ganyan. So ganyan. Pwede lang guys yung trapo lang guys, yung ganyan nyo guys, ganyan guys, saka ganyan guys. Okay guys, tingnan nyo guys, tingnan nyo. Okay guys, yeah guys. So ganyan lang guys, maglinis ng glass guys. So ganito lang guys, tingnan nyo guys, ang kinis, diba? So ganito guys yung glass namin dito. Okay guys, ito guys, ito lang gagamitin guys, at saka dito guys, dito guys. Sobrang mura lang guys, no? Gawin nyo isang basahan at saka yung shampoo. So okay na yun guys, linis na yung door.